How much is excavator training in South Africa? R4,000, R5,000. Excavator course costs around R4,500, R5,000 and takes 7 to 10 days. After the training we issue with the excavator license and certificate. For more details call/WhatsApp, +2773 to 1582-436 Training School, email us, millenniaoperators@yahoo.com. Telephone, 011-824-1189, cell, 060-4291-718, 073-158-2436. Free accommodation plus job assistance. For booking and registration +27731 582-436 #training #school #job #South Africa #South Africa #email #South Africa #email